Hi friends, today I am going to show you one of the Mangalorean's traditional breakfast item Turre Ganji or bottle gourd rice porridge. To prepare Turre Ganji, I have taken one bottle gourd which I have cut the ends, removed the skin, thinly sliced and cut into small pieces. I have cleaned this and added to a cooker along with 1.5 glasses of cleaned white rice, 3 glasses of water and 1.5 teaspoon of salt and cooked it for about 3 whistles. While it is cooking, let's prepare the coconut milk. For coconut milk, I have taken 2 cups of grated coconut, half glass of water and grinded it and then added 1 more glass of water, mixed it and extracted thick coconut milk. And then to the extracted coconut remains, I have added 1 glass of water and extracted the thin coconut milk into a separate vessel. The rice and the bottle gourd is cooked now. To this I have added the thick coconut milk, mixed it by cooking in the medium flame and then added 1/4 kg of jaggery. Jaggery can be adjusted based on taste. The porridge has come a little bit thicker, that's why I am adding the extracted thin coconut milk to adjust the consistency. Also keep in mind that the porridge will become a little thicker as it cools down, so adjust the consistency based on that and add as much as thin coconut milk as needed. Now let this boil. The porridge is boiling. The tasty Mangalorean breakfast Turre Ganji is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye!